Well, hours after Madeline Soto was found dead in rural Osceola County, her mother's boyfriend and the main suspect in her death was in court. Stefan Stearns faces charges of sexual battery and possession of child sexual abuse material. West 2's Haley Crumblehome is live tonight at the Osceola County Jail, where Stearns is now being held. And Haley, you did get the chance to speak with Kissimmee Police about what comes next.
So they tell me that more charges could be coming, but right now they're focusing on the case at hand and working on investigating all possible angles.
Stephen Stearns, or Stevens?
Stefan Stearns had his initial appearance in court Saturday. He never spoke, but his attorney did.
Your Honor, at this time, I am going to waive Mr. Stearns' appearance. I'm also going to waive the reading of these charges. Mr. Stearns is aware of what he's been arrested for.
Though Stearns is a prime suspect in Madeline Soto's death, the charges he faced Saturday came after deputies found what they called disturbing images on Stearns' phone. The charges include sexual battery and possession of child sexual abuse material.
Sir, you got zero bond.
The Kissimmee Police Department is now leading the investigation into what happened to Madeline. They said Saturday the department is conducting follow-ups and collecting evidence and working to prepare a solid case. They said Stearns could be facing additional charges in the future, but only after a thorough investigation.
It's still denial. It's absolute denial. You don't want to believe this happened to a little kid.
That's how those gathered to remember Madeline felt Friday night. Standing outside of the school she never made it to Monday, just hours after her body had been found.
Disbelief and definitely overwhelming. I think that's pretty much what we've all gone through. I can only imagine what her immediate family has gone through.
For other students at Hunters Creek Middle, it's a mess of emotions.
Confused, sad, angry at the person who did that.
Still trying to work through a situation no one could understand.
I don't know how to explain it. I just feel horrible. It's horrible. Like, who in their right mind would do that to a little girl?
Now, though Madeline has been found, the Kissimmee Police Department is asking anyone with information that could assist them as they're investigating this case to come forward. Live in Osceola County, Haley Crumblehome, West 2 News.
Haley, thank you. And here's a timeline of Maddie Soto's death investigation. On Monday at 8:19 in the morning, investigators say video shows Stearns returning to the family's Kissimmee apartment complex with Madeline visible inside the car. Investigators do believe that she was already dead at that time. Now, they arrested Stearns for sexual battery on Wednesday, and then on Thursday, the Orange County deputies said that they believe Stearns had information regarding the disappearance of Soto. However, he refused to answer any questions and requested an attorney. Stearns was transferred from the Orange County Jail to the Osceola County Jail on Friday morning.